this is the dangers. Oh, this is the dangers of showing a house. There's a bird, and there's his. Oh, here he comes. Oh, he keeps attacking me because his nest is right there. And there he is right there. Watch, he'll come this way. He's going to attack. Attack! He's on the attack. He's trying to attack me. I can't get in the front door. Because there's his babies right there. There's his babies right there. Where is he? Where did he go? He's a sneaky one. There he is. Okay. So watch. Here he comes. Oh! Front door. Oh my gosh, this bird. I'm not going to touch your babies. See, there's his babies right there. And then he keeps coming over and attacking me. Oh!